Hey everyone, are you an Odoo developer looking to elevate your skills and leverage the latest AI coding technologies? Do you wish to harness the powerful Odoo framework to create custom, scalable Odoo applications? Let me introduce you to something that will revolutionize your Odoo development process. Design Patterns. Welcome to the Design Patterns for Odoo Mastery course. This course is your gateway to mastering the essential design patterns from the Gang of Four and applying them seamlessly within the Odoo framework. Now you might be wondering, why do design patterns matter in Odoo development? Well, design patterns are time-tested solutions to common design challenges. They provide a shared vocabulary for developers, streamline the process of building robust applications, and significantly reduce maintenance costs. In Odoo, these benefits are magnified due to the platform's modular and extensible nature. Imagine you're building an Odoo application for a large-scale enterprise. Your design must accommodate future growth, handle complex workflows, and integrate seamlessly with existing systems. Without a structured approach, these tasks can quickly become overwhelming. Design patterns guide you in crafting solutions that are functional, scalable, reusable, and easy to understand. For example, let's say you need to implement a multi-step approval process in Odoo. Instead of coding the workflow logic directly into the model or views, you could use the state pattern to define distinct states and transitions, making the system more flexible and easier to extend. Similarly, the observer pattern can help you design a notification system that keeps users informed without tightly coupling the components of your application. The course begins with a comprehensive overview of enterprise design methodologies. You will learn about solid principles and how to identify bad code and architecture. Visual UML diagrams for every pattern along with multiple examples make it easy to understand even the most complex pattern. Also, while AI can be pretty great at writing code, it is rather terrible at creating great architecture without well-defined prompts. Learning these design patterns, you can request the AI apply a state pattern or a factory pattern or any pattern you believe will better solve your programming problem. This course will help you communicate more effectively with AI coding assistants, so it will focus more on creating great architecture and less on trying to solve isolated, out-of-context coding problems. In each design pattern, we have chosen Odoo business-centric examples to demonstrate for each pattern. To further reinforce your understanding, we also include example design patterns to model popular games like Monopoly, Risk, SimCity, and more. For instance, Monopoly's turn-based gameplay is a perfect analogy for the state pattern. Risk's strategic planning aligns with the strategy pattern, and SimCity's dynamic resource management demonstrates the builder pattern. Interactive quizzes in each lecture will test what you have learned and how to apply it. A little confused on how best to apply pattern? Request a masterclass for help on solving and implementing your design patterns in real life. By the end of this course, you will have a deep understanding of 12 essential design patterns. Recognize scenarios in Odoo development where these patterns are most applicable. Know how to implement these patterns using Odoo's framework and tools. Gain confidence in designing scalable, maintainable, and efficient Odoo modules. This course is perfect for experienced Odoo developers, software architects, and development teams seeking a deeper understanding of scalable design principles. If you've ever struggled to maintain a complex Odoo module or wondered how to design features that can accommodate future growth, this course is for you. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start building better Odoo applications today. Unlock the power of design patterns and transform your Odoo development process. Click the link in the description to get started. See you in the course.